Alright guys, I've been asked about 150 times what the Tribo powder is on our website. Here's what a Tribo gun is. The Tribo gun operates with nothing more than air pressure and a wire that runs to the part. There's no electrical parts to this gun, there's no solenoids, there's no anything. This gun right here was available on eBay. I purchased it. It's got tons of problems. We are working with the manufacturer right now to deliver a gun in the next 4 to 6 weeks that doesn't have the problems this gun does. But while I've got it, and while I've fielded so many questions on what is Tribo, I'm going to go ahead and coat this tag behind me with this tribostatic gun. Keep in mind, the only wire going from this gun goes from this gun to the part. The powder is actually charged in this cone here, and that's what creates the magic of this gun. The benefits to Tribo over conventional powder coating is we don't have Faraday cage issues, and we don't have issues with 90-degree corners. We don't have the issues of back ionization. So tribostatic is a tiny bit slower than electrostatic, which is what we normally used to. But for the problems that we don't have with tribostatic, this is going to be the wave of the future for most custom shops. So I'll show you guys how this works. You see, we have our wire connected to the part. And this gun, you got to shake this gun a whole lot to make it work. The new ones will be gravity fed, and they won't have this issue. The other thing is you're going to have a nice even coat with tribostatic, where if we were doing this conventional electrostatic, we would have to worry about mill thickness across the board. Tribostatic is going to give you a nice even mill thickness all the way across your component. You see the powder sticks. Now the thing is these guns will only work with powder specially for tribostatic guns. That's why if you go to the website, liquidpowderconcepts.com, you're going to see a selection of powders, and it says Tribo powders. These powders are specifically made to work with Tribo guns. Any powder that's not will not work. The powder will fall off into the floor. So let's give this a shot. They'll be available 4 to 6 weeks.